In addition to tackling discriminatory labels and stereotypes, members of the LGBT personnel serving in the military carry a much higher suicide rate compared to their straight counterparts. KSLA News 12's Marie Waxel explains in this month's Strength to Live.
Suicide rates are higher among the LGBT community than the general population, primarily for young adult and late teenage males.
Brentwood's clinical director, Charles Lee, says those rates only increase for those who then serve in the military.
Gay soldiers who hide their sexuality while in the military are more likely to attempt suicide.
According to the World Health Organization, suicide is the second leading cause of death among 15 to 29-year-olds worldwide. For every adult who dies of suicide, the WHO estimates more than 20 others attempt suicide. The mental health world has been more focused than ever on breaking down barriers.
Some of those barriers are cultural barriers within the system that treats active duty and veteran that are LGBT and have to have some of those issues addressed. We have to deal with their privacy concerns. They have a lot of concerns about their information being kept private in the treatment settings, especially now that most records, medical records, counseling records are electronic.
Lee says both military and civilian clinical workers are getting more training in this area as more people are coming forward willing to address sexuality.
They need to get support to look at the issues that they're having around concealment of their identity, if that's an issue, disclosure, the rejection issues that they may be dealing with or may anticipate dealing with.
Places like Brentwood Hospital focus on protective factors.
Helping that soldier be connected with family members who will be supportive of them, helping them be connected with social support networks so that they have a sense of belonging. That helps raise their self-esteem, helps address any depression that they might have.
Lee says it's important for the LGBT community to understand there is help available.
There are resources available through the Vet Center, through the VA for that population, and those resources are growing.
And he encourages others to have an open mind.
They're in a very difficult position that they volunteered for, and that position involves a lot of trust between them and their fellow soldiers, and trust between them and their command, and they're going to face a lot of difficulties, and yet they've chosen to do this.
In Shreveport, Marie Waxel, KSLA News 12.
Well, it's a shocking statistic. Louisiana is in the top 5 for pedestrian